In my previous video, we discussed concept of the quantization. In this video, we are going to discuss about types of quantization. There are two types of quantizations, so that are uniform quantization and non-uniform quantization. So basically, there are two types of quantizations, that are uniform quantization and non-uniform quantization. And what is uniform quantization and what is non-uniform quantization? The type of quantization in which the quantization levels are uniformly spaced. And this is the quantized output. Here this is the quantized output. So the type of the quantization in which the quantization levels are spaced uniformly. The quantization levels are spaced uniformly is called as uniform quantization. And second type of the quantization is non-uniform quantization. The type of quantization in which the quantization levels are unequal and mostly the relation between them is logarithmic form is called as non-uniform quantization. So that is the definition of uniform quantization and non-uniform quantization. And the uniform And further, the uniform quantizations are classified into two types, that are mid-rise type uniform quantization and mid-trade uniform quantization. So now here this is the figure of the mid-rise type uniform quantization and this is the figure of mid-trade type uniform quantization. And what is mid-rise type uniform quantization and what is mid-trade type uniform quantization? So the mid-rise type is so called because the origin lies, this is the origin, because the origin lies middle of a rising part of the staircase like graph. Once again, the mid-rise type is so called because the origin lies, this is the origin point, the origin lies in the middle of a rising part of the staircase waveform. The quantization levels in this type are even numbers. The quantization levels in this type are even number. The number of quantization levels are even number. And what is the second type of the uniform quantization? Mid-trade type uniform quantization. So the mid-trade type is so called because the origin lies, this is the origin point, the origin lies in the middle of a trade of the staircase waveform. The middle of a trade of a staircase waveform. So now here mid-trade type uniform quantization, the quantization levels are odd number. The quantization levels are odd number. So that is mid-rise type, mid-trade type uniform quantizations and figures. Both mid-rise and mid-trade type uniform quantizations are symmetrical about the origin. And this is the vertical axis and this is the origin point. Symmetrical about the origin. Symmetrical about the origin means even signal. And what is the even signal? The even signal x of minus t is equal to x of t is the even signal. So folding this signal about the vertical axis, we get the same signal. So the mid-rise type and mid-trade type are symmetrical about the origin. Symmetrical about the origin. Next, quantization error. So what is quantization error? The difference between input value and its quantized value. The difference between an input value means input signal value, and its quantized value. And quantized value means quantized output value is called a quantization error. Difference between an input value and its quantized value is called a quantization error. Next, coming to quantization noise. And what is the quantization noise? The quantization noise is a type of quantization error which occur in analog audio signal while quantizing it to the digital. For example, in music, the signals keep changing continuously where regularly is not found in errors. Such errors create a wideband noise. Such type of errors creates wideband noise. Once again, I will explain the example. Quantization noise. In music, the signals keep changing continuously where a regularity is not found in errors. Regularity is not found in errors. Such type of errors create a wideband noise which is called as a quantization noise.